Hello, my name is K. Manas Reddy, part of Team LMN Tech from Chennai, India. Our concept is aerial surveillance drone. Our idea was aimed at improving surveillance of a community and to enhance the safety measures for public and on-duty personnel in the field of work. Our drone can be operated in a predetermined sector of a city or a town and can survey the locality. It is completely automated with a built-in camera, thermal camera and a GPS tracker for location tracking services. It can also be remotely operated by authorized personnel. This reduces the risk of government personnel from getting infected, ensuring their safety.
My name is Piyush from Team LMN Tech. According to government's rule, we have to follow social distancing of at least 6 feet. But many of our friends don't follow that. So we have a deep learning model inbuilt in our drone which can calculate the distance between people and warn them if they are not following social distancing using a speaker in our drone. This will help to stop the spread of the coronavirus. My friend Keshav is going to take over and explain the rest of the features.
I'm Keshav from the team LMN Tech. So I'm here to discuss about an important feature in our idea. So as we know that a group of 4 or more shouldn't be gathered at a place. So if they are found to be gathered, an intimation along with the location will be sent to the respective authority for them to take the necessary action. And also supermarkets and general stores are to be excluded till 1 p.m. So my friend Rahil Jain is going to talk about the rest of the features in our project.
I'm Rahil Jain from Team LMN Tech. So thermal cameras will be used to check the distance between each individual to be at least 5 to 6 feet. In addition to that, the thermal cameras will also be used to check the body temperature of each individual, and if the temperature exceeds more than 100 degrees Fahrenheit, then an alert message will be sent to the corporation or the officials to help them do the necessary test. On behalf of Team LMN Tech, we thank everyone and urge everyone to stay at home in our fight against COVID-19.